right now, Kobe and his daughter Gianna, and all of those that have been tragically lost today are in our spirit, they're in our hearts, they're in our prayers, they're in this building. And I would like to ask everybody to take a moment and just hold them inside of you. Hold them inside of you. And share our strength and our support with their families. We never imagined in a million years we'd have to start the show like this. Never, 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 never. We're all feeling crazy sadness right now. Because earlier today,